This section will show you how to format the font and the font size of your data in Microsoft Excel. To format the font or to change its font, you select the cell that you want to format, and then in the ribbon under Home button or Home tab, you look at the font box and then you choose by clicking the down arrow the font that you want to use. So for this example, I will use the font Arial to change the font of my text. So if you want to select January up to December and change its font, you go again in the font box under the Home tab in our ribbon and then select the font that you want to use by clicking this down arrow. So for this, I will going to choose the Arial Rounded Empty Bold. And then if you want to change the font of this text, we can right click and then click Format Cells. And then from the font tab under the Format Cells dialog box, you choose the font that you want to use. For example, I will going to use Calibri. And then I'll click OK. So this is how we change the font using the Home tab in the font box and by using the Format dialog box by right-clicking any cell that you want to format. If you want to change the font size of your text or your data in Microsoft Excel, you just select the text that you want to format its size, and then beside the font box there is the font size box, and then to change its size you click the down arrow and then choose the size that you need. For example, I will going to use 26, and then since Southeast Airlines data cannot be seen completely in our worksheet, so we will try to change the width of the column so that you can show the Southeast Airlines 2014. So if you want to change the size of this text, we just select the range of cells that we have here, and then we can have right click, Format Cells, and then under the font tab there is the size box wherein we select the size of the font. So we'll choose 14 and then click OK. So we will try to edit or to resize our column so that all the data can be seen completely like this. Okay, by changing its columns width. So this is how we change the font and the font size of our data in Microsoft Excel by using the Home button or Home tab in our ribbon, and then the font box and the font size box, or by opening the Format Cells dialog box by right-clicking the cell and then click Format Cells, and then we can choose the font and we can choose the size.